Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook Yong Tofu Soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients for this delicious dish. You will need firm tofu, a good quality fish paste, and an assortment of your favorite vegetables, like crisp bitter gourd or tender eggplant. Do not forget the shiitake mushrooms for that earthy flavor, along with fresh red chili and vibrant green onions for garnish. Also, have light soy sauce, fragrant sesame oil, and freshly ground white pepper ready for seasoning. These foundational elements ensure a truly authentic and flavorful soup. Next, we prepare the tofu and your delectable filling. Begin by slicing the firm tofu into approximately 1-inch thick rectangular pieces, then gently scoop out a small portion from the center of each, creating a neat pocket for the filling. For the filling, combine your fresh fish paste with about 1/4 cup of finely minced pork, adding a dash of sesame oil and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper for flavor. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture becomes uniform and slightly sticky, indicating it is ready for stuffing. Now comes the satisfying part, stuffing your Yong tofu. Take a small spoon or use your fingers to carefully fill each tofu pocket with the fish paste mixture, ensuring it is packed snugly without overfilling. Repeat this process for your chosen vegetables, such as bitter gourd rings or eggplant slices, ensuring a generous, even distribution of the filling. Press the mixture firmly into place so it stays intact during cooking. Once stuffed, arrange your beautiful Yong tofu pieces neatly on a tray, ready to be introduced to the simmering broth. While your Yong tofu pieces await, let us prepare the heartwarming soup base. In a medium-sized pot, pour about 6 cups of clear chicken stock or anchovy stock, which forms the delicious foundation of your soup. Introduce 2 cloves of lightly crushed garlic and 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce to the broth, along with a small pinch of white pepper for a subtle kick. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing the aromatics to infuse the liquid, creating a rich and inviting aroma throughout your kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.